Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error 403. Start by pressing the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard. This will open the Run window. In the box, type %local app data%. Then press OK. A folder will open on your screen. Look for the folder named Roblox. Right-click it and delete it. This removes the old files that may be causing the error. Now go back one step by clicking on App Data at the top of the window. Open the Localo folder. In this folder, find the file that contains your Roblox settings. Delete this file as well if you find one. Next, open your browser and go to Google. Type Roblox download and press Enter. Click on the first result. On the Roblox website, click on the Download for Windows button. The installer will begin downloading. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder or the location where your browser saves files. Run the Roblox installer. It may take a little time to install a fresh version of Roblox. When the installation finishes, Roblox should launch on its own. Try joining a game. The error should no longer appear. Thanks for watching.